Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home, isn't it? Yes. How was the last week? Have you all done the project? Yes. I hope you all done good. Okay, eat healthy and stay healthy. So before moving to today's class, let us do an activity. Okay. So we are going to clap reverse. Okay. Before and down, one, two, three, we will clap, isn't it? So today we are going to clap three, two, one. Okay. Shall we do together? Yes. Three, three, and two, one, two, and one, one. So let us move to today's class.
Okay, children. So today we have our ICT class. What's the lesson name? Organizing information using list and table. Okay. So last week you had your interdisciplinary project, isn't it, children? Yes. I hope you all done good. Okay. So we can move to the next. So these are our units. Okay, what is the main thing we are going to learn from this lesson? It is nothing but how to organize information using list and then types of list. Okay, so organize information using list. Here one scenario has given. Alia, Manoj and Sanju are friends. They are discussing their favorite food items. Okay, they have given their food items. I ask you one question. Can you immediately tell me what's the favorite food item? Any one food item of Alia? Can you able to understand their food items clearly? I think it was no. Okay, so now you can able to see here. Can you able to tell me now what is the Alia's favorite food items? Yes, you can tell by seeing it clearly. Chocolates, fruits, fries, nuts. Okay, and Manoj also. So this now we can clearly understand the favorite food items, isn't it, children? Yes. So this is by listing the food items sequentially. Okay, so when we are presenting like this, we can able to understand what is the content easily, and we can easily tell what is about. Okay, so this is nothing but the form of list. Okay, you can able to see the picture here, isn't it, children? Yes, it is a bill. So after purchasing everything in a supermarket, you can able to see the bill like this, and all the food items will be in one by one. Okay, it is in the format of list. Okay, so this is also one example of list. And also you can able to see here all the vegetables, fruits, and some everything is in the form of list. Okay, this is the something which is belong to the month wise vegetables and fruits availability. Okay, so they have presented like this. It is easy to identify which is month we can get the which fruits and vegetables. Okay, this is the one two these are the examples of list. Okay, so what are the uses of list? And also your one easy example. Your mother is asking to go for shop to buy some things. Okay, so if it is a one or two item, you can able to keep it in mind and you can get it. Okay, if it is beyond 5 or 10 things, what you will do? You will note down the items what your mother is saying. Okay, so whether it will be in the paragraph or you will be writing in one by one. Most of them we will write in one by one, number one this item, like that. Okay, so while presenting like that, you can able to identify the items. Okay, which one we are going to purchase. Okay, it is easy to keep in mind. Okay, so that is one of the example. So it is used to organize information that you want to share with others, highlight important points, and grab readers attention, and remember instruction and know the order which task to be done. Okay, for example, you can able you also use to do list. For example, you are having some 5 tasks you have to do. what you will do, you will note it down and you will stick it on your fridge or some other place, and you will be able to keep in mind by seeing that one. Okay, so in that list will be used. Okay, so you will also use like the checklist which I have told before. So if you finish by one, you can able to make a tick, you can able to check it. Okay, these are the uses of list. So we are going to see how to create this list in word processor. Okay, in grade 3 we have learned the word processor, isn't it children? So word processor, what software we have used? MS Office. Okay, in that we have used the edit the text and change the font style, everything, that MS Word document, isn't it children? So that only how we are going to create a list in word processor. So if you open that document, you can able to see the page like this. Okay, so mostly the list can be represented by two things, one is bulletin and one is numbering. Okay, so it looks if you give that bulletins or numbering, it will be in looks good. Okay, so when we will use the bulletin numbering, bulletins will be used when you are going to arrange the things which are not in sequence. Okay, but numbering will be used when you are going to arrange the things order one by one. So after this only this one have to come. In that cases and all, you can use the numbering. Okay, for example, you will have the attendance in our classroom, isn't it children? How we will have that attendance number 1 from the starting letter A up to Z. Okay, so after A, B, like that it will become. Okay, so in that case we will not use the bulletins. In that cases we will be using the numbers. Okay, if you follow the order, we will use the numbering. Okay, so in this word processor document, you can able to see the options bullet and numbering. Okay, so if you click on the bullet, you can able to see the bullet styles. Okay, these are the styles which is available. Okay, and this is numbering. Okay, whether it will be in number 1 2 3 or Roman letters or A B C. Okay, like that you have the numbering style and bulletins. Okay, if you click on that, you can able to change that things easily. Okay children, yes, yes. So and the steps of how to insert bulletins and numberings will be in your book. Okay, refer that too. And after, for example, if I type the fruits in the format, can able to see here all the numbering styles I have used here. Okay, these are available in the numbering form. Okay, so these are the things how to insert bullets and numbering. Okay, you have to go to this icon on the document page and you have to click on the bullet if you need bullet, or if you want numbering you can click on numbering. Okay, if you don't want to use that one, you can click on the option none. Okay, in another also we are using the LibreOffice, isn't it? So in there also most over both are same, and the icons also same only, but the windows alone will be changing. Okay, so this is the thing how to insert bullet and numbering, and you can able to change that bullet and numberings also. Okay, so next we are going to see the types of list, that is nothing but sublist. If you are going to elaborate a point in a list, sublist are used. So you can have any number of sublist, but more than 3 or 4 sublist is not recommendable. So why we are not use that, like that means it will reduce the clarity. Okay, how to create sublist, you have to enter the main items, and you have to click on tab key to list for the main items. Okay, for example, here they have the events: running race and three-legged race, lemon and spoon, and long jump. So in each event they have four groups. In four groups they will have the participants, isn't it? So here the list within the another list is the sub list. Okay, so how we have to create? First you have to type the main item, and you have to uh, press the tab key in your keyboard. Okay, then you can able to type the sub list. Okay, so this is the form how to create the sub list in your document. Okay, then we can also able to insert picture in your document. Okay, for example, this is belong to running race. You can keep the uh, image like a boy running, okay, like that and all. So for that you have to insert picture. So where you can get this option means you have to position the cursor on the location where the picture has to be inserted. You have to click insert option from the menu bar. Okay, then you have to select the option picture from picture, and then from file options. If you have in the computer, you have to go the option from file. Okay, and it will show to the directory which has photos, and select the file that has the picture to be inserted. Okay, and then you have to click on OK, and you can able to see here. Okay, you have to go to insert, and then from the insert you have to select picture. From the picture you can able to select the from file option. Okay, by using that you can create the file, you can create the you can insert the picture in the document. Okay children, yes. So I hope you all understand the concept. Here we have learned how to create the list and their users, and how we are going to create a list in the document. So we have two options, one is bulletin and one is numbering. And also we have learned how to insert picture and how to create sub list. Okay, when we will use the bulletin, which when we are going to arrange the things which are not in sequence, you can use the bulletins. And when we will use the numbering, when we are arranged in sequence, you can use the numbering. Okay, next you have two activities. First one, write a list of favorite fruits and food items which you like. Okay, and you have to present it in uh, bulletins or numbering. Okay, so you have to use the bulletins which I have shown here. Okay, that different styles I shown you, right? So that alone you have to use. Okay, and you can write at least 5 fruits and food items. Okay children, it will be easy only. You can use it the note. Okay, next you have to do it in your book worksheet question number 1. Here there are 3 types of musical instruments are given. So the types are reed, percussion and string. So what is reed means instruments in which you blow air to make sound, and percussion in instruments which are struck or beaten to make sound, and string instruments that have strings which vibrate on plucking or rubbing with a bow and make sound. So 3 categories they have given. Okay, and their names also along with the pictures they have given. You have to write the instruments which belongs to 3 categories. Okay, okay. So for example, flute, which will be blow air to make sound. So they have written like that. Next one, tabla, if you beat you can hear the song. Next sound. Okay, next string, that is guitar they have given. Like that, rest of the things which comes under this category you have to write it separately. Okay, so worksheet number 1, question number 1, page number 65 in your ICT book, you can do in your ICT book. Okay children, so what we have learned today, how to organize information using list and also the types of list. And I hope today's class was very useful. Let you meet on the next week. Okay, thank you children.